Hello, welcome to my craft, Mickey and my craft. Hilda, your host. Today we're gonna start doing the second Christmas house. First, I did some advance because I have to know how the snow is gonna be put on. Here is some of the plants that are gonna go in some places. Here is the doggy house that I did. Here is another plant. And one thing that I found out while I was trying to make some of the pieces is that I only had the head of the snowman. So I decided to do an experiment. One was with the Xmas glue. This one come hard, and I had to soften a little bit in order to make it a round. And it seems like the head is as big as the body, and so probably this one I'm gonna have to discard it. I was trying to file it a little bit to make it smoother. This one still needs some dry. This was using both were using a ball, the cotton balls that they sell in the pharmacy or in the dollar store. So this one, I use the apple barrel white color, and still need some drying to do. This probably is the best choice for it. Yeah. I just have to, fix it a little bit in certain areas. So it still needs some drying. So let's see what happens on that one. But today what we're going to do is we're going to decorate the trees. And the snow we're going to put it later when we are putting the house. Okay? So let's start with this first one. Oh, before that, I did this. This is going to go around this is an arch that is going to go around one of the doors in the house. And excuse me just a moment. Again, like I was saying, we were doing, I did some of this. It seems like my phone wasn't recording. This is for the living room. This is made out of felt. They're cute. You can make a lot of felt. Christmas decoration with felt. So when I do this, I don't put, you don't put glue on every turn. You just walk a little bit with the rope. And put some glue, because it's gonna stay. That happened on this one. This is the arch we made for a door. Let's cut it over here. Okay, once we do this, we're gonna start putting together the sofa, the living room. However, I noticed that there is no templates to cut the fabric. So we are gonna have to do some measures from the inside in order to be able to do that. So let's start by putting some of this. Okay, let's put some on the back. I love to decorate trees. But I like to use the traditional colors, you know, like red and green. Maybe with a hint of gold or something like that, but I don't like, oh, they look pretty, you know, each one on his own taste. But for me, the traditional tree is the one that I like. I think that's enough because I gotta leave a space for the golden ones. So I'm gonna put a golden one over here. And this one. Then you put some snow on the top, but I'm not gonna do that right now. When you put the snow, you put the glue on it, and then you use a packet and throw it on a container. So whatever comes out, you can still save it for others. So let me put one in here between these. I think that's enough for now. And you think? I gotta put them back in here on this so it will dry hopefully. So now to the big one. In this big one, okay, this one's supposed to have a bow, but I have very little left of a bow, so I'm probably gonna have to do a bow with felt. So I have very little of the ribbon. So how everybody's doing? I hope everybody's doing okay. So after I do this, we're gonna try to make the first cut the first one. If not, I don't want to make this video long. I'll probably do the rest of side, and so I'm gonna be giving you more tips in light of, you know, how many houses I have been doing. We should by now have some idea how to treat, but each company is different. And although I didn't check for this at the beginning because I was busy making the other houses, you should check your pieces because right now, not only the body of the snowman is missing, I have another wood piece missing that didn't came with the kit, but that one I did check out. Let's decorate the back a little bit on the side. Let me get more of the red ones. See, we got a whole bunch of them in here. I want to decorate the back of the tree. Some people don't because it's going to be against the wall. But I don't know. I like to decorate the back of the tree and have it where you can go all the way around. You can put less ornaments if you want to, but what do you think? I don't know. I like to have a lot of ornaments on mine. Okay, let's put some golden ones to see how it looks. We said this is going to be the front of the tree. We're going to put the snow when it's time to put that tree up. So, all we need is the ribbon. I'll try to find a way to do the ribbon later. We gotta let those dry. So, I think this is it for now. We're gonna start making the sofa of the first floor, the chair, because all the other props already made them, except for one that I think I saw over here. This is a snowman, already made the hat, but we don't have the bottom part of the body. You see, it's bigger than the head, and that piece is missing. So this part over here, let's see if we can do it for a moment on camera. I'm looking for this. Let me see these measures. 2.5 centimeters. Nope. Okay. So we gotta let the tree rest so the beads can dry. And we're gonna cut 2.5 centimeters of this. I'm gonna cut it like this. Yep. And then according to this, you gotta cut one of these in half. See? Okay. And this one's gotta be cut in half. I'm gonna have to fix it and open it for a while. So we're gonna finish over here. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna try to make some of the furniture to see how we're gonna deal with when you don't have templates on how to cut things. And the clothes, remember in the other ones you have a template where you put all the pieces and then you cut them around there so you will have the right measurement. And this one, it tells you the measurement, but there is no templates. So I'm gonna try to cut them from the inside to see how it goes. So thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for future video. Remember, in January, we're gonna start the paper towel. This is the last house for this year. And I'm gonna put on the end card video, the intro video for the materials, and I'll explain a little bit more in there about why on each material and what we're planning to do, okay? So thank you, have a wonderful day, and if I don't see you, have a Merry Christmas.